I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to cancel your Paramount Plus subscription, follow these steps to make the process smooth and easy. Step 1. Open the Paramount Plus app. Launch the Paramount Plus app on your device. Make sure you are logged into the account you want to cancel. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on your profile icon or the account menu to access account settings. Look for the option that says Account or Settings. Step 3. Select Subscription Details. In the Account Settings, find a section labeled Subscription or Manage Subscription. This will show you your current plan and billing information. Step 4. Cancel Subscription. Look for the option to cancel your subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Make sure to read any cancellation policies that pop up. Note, if you don't see the cancel option, ensure you re-upload them with a third-party account like Apple or Google Play. Step 5. Verify cancellation. After cancellation, you should receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox to ensure your subscription has been successfully cancelled. I hope this guide helps you easily cancel your Paramount Plus subscription. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.